channel. Oh my god, we actually hit 10,000 subscribers, and that feels really weird me saying that because I genuinely thought I was going to start YouTube and have one person watching me, and that was probably going to be my mum. So I'm so grateful. I know that that is so small in comparison to some YouTubers, but to me that's massive. So thank you so much, and I'm really grateful. And if you're new here and just watching this video, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll be so grateful. So yeah, thank you so much. Feels really weird me saying that. So yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, so you may remember a while back I did a fashion drug first impressions video. I think I picked about 5 items and I did like a first impressions, what I thought, whether I thought the brand was good or not. And if you've seen it, I'll link it below for you. If you haven't, you will know that I absolutely loved it. And I'm lucky enough to be working with them on a new collaboration. So they have kindly sent me 3 bags, and I got to pick those bags, which I'm really grateful for, and I am going to unbox them and show you why I picked them, what I like about them. And basically, Fashion Drug have the most amazing quality bags, and they are designer dupes, so it's absolutely perfect if you want to get like that designer style but you don't want to spend the price tag, because let's be real, at the moment I'm focused on saving like for a house. I don't want to be spending like £700–800 on a bag as much as I'd love to. I just feel like Fashion Drug is a really on trend, really reasonable and really good quality brand, and I feel like you guys need to try something from there, whether that be a bag. They do really nice jackets, coats, they also do some accessories. So yeah, I'm going to get started with the unboxing. So this is the big box here. Oh, let me just flip it open. Okay, so as you can see, everything is packaged into little bags, and I absolutely love that because the last 3 bags I've got from them I still keep in the bag, so it's just like a nice dust bag, stops bags getting scratched, you know what I'm saying. So there's a little note in it, and it just says, "Lauren, we can't wait hearing what you think of these beauties. Thank you so much for your support. Enjoy, Team Fashion Drug." So as you guys know, I'm always 100% honest with my views on things, and I've never seen these 3 bags before. This is the first time I'm opening them, so this is not only my first time seeing the bags that I've chosen, but also obviously you're seeing this reaction. So I mean, I'm sure I'm gonna love them all, but let's see. So this is the first bag, and then on the back it's got their little quote that says "addicted to fashion," which, let's be honest, I am. So, oh, do you know what? I think this is the favourite one that I picked. Oh my god, I actually love it. Okay, so this is called the Carry Bag in Nude. They've got it in black and they've got it in nude, and I couldn't decide between the nude and the black, but you guys know me and I live in black, and every single one, maybe apart from like 3 of my bags, are black, and I was like, I need something nude, because when I wear certain outfits like neutral colours or pastel-y colours, you need a nude bag to go with it, and I just didn't have one. I wasn't prepared. So this one, as you can see, it's like a dupe of the Dior one. Absolutely love it. It's actually really good quality. It's Italian leather, which is obviously, you know, you're getting good quality. So as you can see here, it's a beautiful beige colour. I absolutely love that little detail here. And this is like perfect for me. It's like not too big but not too small. You can still fit everything in it. I would wear this with like a really nice white blouse, jeans, a nice belt, and I just feel like this bag is really classy. So this is on their website for €89, which I think is really good because, like I said to you, the quality is really nice, and you just know that it's going to last you a long time. So let me open the middle of it. Did I actually just say let me open the middle of it? Do you know, I've actually been at Ascot today racing, and it is now like 9:30 at night and I'm filming this video. So I've been through the stage of, I was drinking from 11 o'clock this morning, stopped drinking about 2 hours ago because I knew I needed to film a video, and I feel like I'm just like, I've woken up, well, I haven't even woken up, basically I'm not with it. I feel like I need to go to bed really. So please forgive me. This is already winning. So it's got a zip, which for me is perfect because I'm so paranoid that I've dropped stuff. I'm like, oh, have I dropped my card or something? Okay. It just got even better. So as I thought, there is a shoulder strap. So for me that is perfect because I don't always like having something in my, like in a crease on my arm or like on my shoulder. I much prefer having like a long strap. I feel like with these kinds of bags, when you just have it, bear with, when you just have it like that, I feel like you have to sort of hold it. When you have it like that, I feel like it can get a little bit annoying. So I feel like this is the perfect answer. So let's see what it looks like on. Oh my god, is this a joke? You can actually take off this strap and put on the gold chain strap, or you can just have the leather like nude beigey strap. So you've literally got 3 strap choices here. Unless I'm just being completely stupid, but that is actually what it looks like. I'm shook. So basically, if I'm feeling like a chainy vibe, I can go for that. If I just want like a really classy vibe, I can go for the long strap. Or if I'm just feeling like this cute little, I don't know, cute little handbag, basically vibe, then this is what I've got. I'm actually really impressed. So I'm going to put one of them on just so you can see. I'm going to move that box out of the way a little bit because it is getting in the way. This is what I'm saying, by the way, though. These bags are such good quality, and the price of them is crazy. Like, they've got like so many designer inspired bags on there, and it's like one of my favorite websites. Okay, so this is another way how you can wear it, which I actually love this for more of a nighttime-y vibe. I feel like this is much nicer for nighttime, or like going out for a nice meal or drinks, whereas the other one's definitely more daytime in my opinion. I love this, and I know I'm gonna have to order it in black. I'm just gonna have to. I'm gonna have to have one of each because they're just too cute not to be honest. So if you want Dior vibes at like a fraction of the price, you need to get on Fashion Drug. I'm just gonna do a little close-up for you. Okay, before I forget, I've got a 10% off discount code for you. So if you use Lauren10 at the checkout, you will save 10%. So not only are you going to get like a really nice bag or accessories or a t-shirt or whatever, you can also save 10%. So I'll pop that for you in the description box below. And don't forget to use it if you fancy treating yourself. I just wanted to quickly say, like, I don't get commission or anything like that on any sales through that discount code. It's just basically to help you out. So if you want a nice handbag and you want to save some money on it, it's a win-win situation basically. So I'll pop that in the description box so you don't forget. Let's go on to number 2. Okay, hang on. I think this is my favourite one. Yeah, I think so. So, oh, I love the pretty bows on them as well. Oh, this is my favourite. Okay, so in my first Fashion Drug haul, I included the grey version of this because the black one was out of stock. Now the black one is back in stock. This is my little YSL inspired bag, and I absolutely love it. So I think this one is a little bit more than the other one. Let me just check for you. Turns out I was actually making it up. It's the same price, so it's 89 euros, and of course you can save 10%. But no, honestly, I absolutely love this. So this is my kind of, I say this is, basically, like I said to you, I've got it in grey. So the grey version is a nighttime bag for me, and this will be the same. This will be like a nighttime bag. I think they're really, really smart, and they go with so many different outfits. A black bag goes with everything. Look at that. I absolutely love it. So let me just open it and show you the shoulder strap. So this, just so you know guys, this is the mini one. They've got a larger one, which I think is actually called like large on the website, so you'll definitely see the difference. I go for this size because I fit enough in there, and I carry everything in my handbag, I'm not going to lie to you. Here it is here. So the shoulder strap is perfect. You can wear it crossbody, or you can just wear it on one shoulder. Guys, honestly, if there's one bag you need, I would actually say it's this one because the quality is so nice and it fits so much in, and it really does look like a YSL bag. So yeah, I'm all about the designer inspired bags at the moment. I love this little detail here, and like I said to you, black is my go-to colour, so I couldn't not get something black. But also I feel like these are really nice to like dress up an outfit. If you've just got like a plain outfit on, a bag always adds a bit of detail. So this is, I feel like, going to be my go-to, and is actually probably my favourite. So this is probably my favourite now. So the grey one won't be getting used as much at the moment because I've now got this little baby. If you want to see the grey one, then I'll pop it below in the description box for you as well, because they are both really, really nice colours. I just feel like, I was about to say coming into autumn and winter, I don't want to wish the summer away just yet, but in autumn and winter I just feel like those sort of handbags are really nice because they're kind of like wintry colours, aren't they? Like, I know that everyone, like, we always use a black handbag or whatever, but the grey is such a nice grey that I just feel like those bags would look so nice with like a nice roll neck jumper, a skirt, thigh boots, and a really nice bag. You've got the nice bag sorted. So that's my theory for my autumn outfits. And last but not least, obviously I got, so this is quite a big one actually compared to the other two. Oh, look at that, I love it. Okay, I actually love this. So this bag, again, is kind of like a nudie beigey colour. Again, because I just don't have any nude beigey colour bags. All my bags are black. Like I said to you, I've got the grey one, I've got black bags. I think I might have like one like patterned one. So I definitely needed like another nudie one. So this is called the Striped Classy Bag Small Beige Silver. So as you can see, it's beige, but the strap detail's silver, and if I'm correct, I believe they have the straps in gold as well, so it depends what your preference is. I always wear silver really because I've got a silver watch, so I just feel like I try to like coordinate the two. Again, this is very designer inspired, as I'm sure you can tell. So this again is perfect for me. It's actually really, really big, so I feel like I can fit half my life in there. Makeup, phone, charger, you know me. So I feel like I'll probably use this for more of a daytimey thing. I'm actually going on holiday in a few weeks, so I feel like this will be my like nice holiday bag, if you like. Wow, there's so much space. Okay, here she is. So I've actually got one like this in black. I picked it up from like a high street store years ago, and I've used it so much. So I feel like when I want to wear like nice like pinky dresses or nude, this is going to be my go-to. Like I said to you, I feel like it's going to fit everything in. Look how much stuffing we've got in there. That's literally going to fit everything in. I love this. So this is going to be my new little baby. I feel like this with denim shorts and a really nice like shirt is going to look really cute. Oh, I just love it. I love planning outfits with handbags in mind. So this one is, let me see. Did I have the price? So this one is £84.95. So it's £1 cheaper than the others. So I didn't actually realise that I picked 3 things around the same price. But their prices differ. Like there are bags on there for like €50, there are bags in there for like €100. Like it really depends on the kind of bag you want to go for. But I just love the feel of this. Obviously I've not used it yet, but I can see that I'm going to fit so much in there, and I'm actually really glad I picked this one because I do love it. So yeah, I feel like the only thing is I'm going to have to make sure I keep it clean, because I just hate, I'm just so funny. I don't want to get my bag dirty. Like I would be really annoyed to put this on the floor because I'd be like, no, it can't get dirty because it's such a nudie colour. But I love it. So let me just do a little close up. So as you guys can see, I picked up 3 really, really nice handbags. If I had to pick a favourite, it's really tricky because I love them all. I feel like the black one I'll use like all the time because it's just easy colour, goes with everything. I absolutely love the 3rd bag that I picked up, but then the carry bag is also really cute. So don't be surprised if you see me with all 3 just like walking along like an absolute crazy bag lady because I can't decide. But honestly, the quality is really, really nice, and I really can't wait to start wearing them now. If you guys like the bags that I picked up today, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and comment below what your favourite bag was, because like I said to you, I just can't decide. I will also put my discount code in the description box and a link to all the items. There's so many bags on there, I'm not going to lie. I feel bad introducing you to it because you're going to be addicted, and they change their stock all the time, so there's so many different nice bags on there. So as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and again, thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. I'm just going to go now, make hot chocolate and get myself into my pyjamas, because I'm not going to lie to you, but after that long day at Ascot, I mean, like most people go out clubbing, I just need to get into bed. I'm knackered, if I'm honest. So I'm going to love you and leave you, and I will see you in next week's video. And don't forget to hit up Fashion Drug.